The two-legged pullback presents to you the trading range indicator. What separates this trading range indicator from the rest is that it uses pure price action to automatically identify ranges. It does not rely on lagged indicators such as an RSI, Stochastics, or the next-gen secret indicator. It uses the current information that will always be available to you on the charts shown through the price action. Why do we need a trading range indicator? Well, before any trade, the first question we must ask is this: which market cycle are we in? According to Al Brooks, there are only two market cycles, trends or ranges. Naturally, most people are trend traders, so that is why people get chopped up in ranges since they fail to recognize the market cycle they are currently in. The trading range indicator can help identify when the market cycle is in a trading range. It will automatically detect and update ranges as they form using pure price action. The trading range indicator will automatically begin to identify a trading range when it detects 3 overlapping bars. As the chart continues to develop, the trading range indicator will automatically adjust the range according to the price action. We see here that the bottom of the trading range has adjusted with the current price action. The trading range adjusts according to the amount of touches there are. The trading range indicator will continue to develop and adjust with the price action until there's a successful breakout. We see here that the trading range indicator adjusts again as more price action develops. If you have noticed, the top of the range has not yet been adjusted. That's because the indicator has detected, according to price action, that the most touches occurred at this price. However, the bottom of the trading range adjusts once again since there is new price action with more touches. In a trending market, traders want to buy high and sell low, expecting the trend to continue. But in trading ranges, you want to do the exact opposite. You want to buy low and sell high. When using the two-legged pullback indicator with the trading range indicator, you can easily see with the dark red and green numbers that every two-legged pullback near the top of the range and bottom of the range was good for not only a scalp, but an entire swing. Using this indicator will not guarantee profits, but it will help identify trading ranges so you can focus on reaching your trading goals. This indicator is available at the official two-legged pullback website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. And as always, happy trading and God bless.